Wow, you look at the condition of this car. It's dirty. Just came off the highway. It's an XLE 2006 Toyota Camry. Look at the shape of this. Leather seats, leather heated seats, sunroof. It's an XLE model. Take a look at those back seats. Has anybody ever sat back there? I don't know. It's got the sunscreen, sun visor for the back window. Look at this. Aluminum rims. Amazing condition. Look at that. Let's take a quick look at the engine here. Here we go. That's the factory battery. 2006. That's the year of this vehicle. Look at this thing. 46,000 kilometers, and I've got to get rid of this car. It's jinxed, or I'm jinxed. Somebody's jinxed, probably me. Come on, Toyota, help me out with this here. Bought it, 33,000 kilometers, got 46,000 on it right now. I've had 3 bad incidences already with it. Full hail damage right across, over $11,000 worth of damage. Incident number 1. Incident number 2, rocks through the windshield, brand new windshield. Incident number 3, in less than 6 months. Let's walk around to the other side. I mean, hey, just take a look at this. Let's just get right in here again. This thing is clean. It's dusty, but what the heck is this? What is this? Had a storm come across, knocked a tree down on my car. Am I 3 times unlucky? Is this... Does nobody want me to have this vehicle? I got it off the original owner. It's never seen winter. Those are the factory tires, factory brakes, factory battery for an 06 vehicle. It's never seen winter. Hasn't seen snow. And this thing is just whacked. Unbelievable. This tree falling on this vehicle happened just today. Sorry, yesterday. My days are all mixed up here. I think I'm jinxed. I don't think that I'm supposed to have this vehicle. I'm thinking that somebody else is supposed to have it. I bought this thing, seen it, didn't even drive it, bought it instantly. Gone out the door. Never drove it in the wintertime, parked it in the garage and left it sit. And here we go. This is for the car care nut guy. Again, I'm gonna open up the door here. Look at the interior. It's a little dirty right there because somebody was in the back seat. Look at the seats. Look at the back. Headliner. Sunroof. Back of the seats. This car was in amazing shape. The hail damage alone was over 11,000. Just happened to take it out, go to the bank, go do some banking, and massive storm come over, bam, car's written off. Driving on the highway, big stone, whack, through the windshield, almost through the windshield. And then this. That's a tree that come down in a massive storm, which I have video of, and it hit so hard. We were in the other house, and all you heard was this bam, and my wife said, that sounded like it hit the car. Well, it did. Am I jinxed? Car care nut guy, help me out. What do I do? Do I keep this thing? Of course I do. Do I get rid of it? I think I'm jinxed. Leave your comments. One last shot of the engine bay and we'll shut this down. Factory battery. How many cars can you say have that stuff? Look at the headlights even. Man. Leave your comments. Thanks for watching.